Hello student, next question of AIEEE 2000 paper of physics subject, code number A is 28 for discussion. Question number 28. The question is, a charge Q is uniformly distributed over the surface of non-conducting disk of radius r. देखिए इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर जो हमारे पास डिस्क है, disk of radius r, the whole charge Q is uniformly distributed over it. Therefore, surface charge density, the surface charge density is equal to sigma, and it is equal to Q by pi r square. Okay. Now again, the disk rotate about an axis perpendicular to its plane and passing through its center with an angular velocity omega. ये जो हमने डिस्क कंसिडर की है जिसके ऊपर चार्ज कितना है, Q चार्ज है, this disk rotate about an angular axis, rotational axis with angular velocity omega. This axis passes through the plane of the disk and through its center. As a result of this rotation, a magnetic field of induction B is obtained at the center of the disk. If we keep both the amount of charge placed on the disk and its angular velocity to be constant and vary the radius of the disk, then the variation of the magnetic induction at the center of the disk will be represented by the figure. अब आप ये देखिए, जैसे जैसे ये डिस्क रोटेट होगी तो चार्ज भी इसके साथ क्या होगा, रोटेट करेगा. एंड वी नो दैट a rotating charge produces the current. And let for this one consider a very small ring, elemental ring on the disk. That is the disk. That one is the elemental ring. Elemental ring. Width of this elemental ring is considered to be del r. इसकी जो हमने यहाँ पर थिकनेस कंसिडर करी है वो कितनी है, सॉरी, स्मॉल dr, एंड द रेडियस ऑफ दिस एलिमेंटल रिंग इज स्मॉल r. Therefore, the current associated with this one is given by dq omega upon 2 pi. dq is the charge associated with this elemental ring. Here dq is equal to sigma 2 pi r into dr. That is the charge on this elemental ring, and the current produced by this elemental ring is given by dq omega 2 pi. Therefore, magnetic field produced by this elemental ring at the center is given by mu naught di upon 2r. The magnetic induction produced by this elemental ring at the center is given by mu naught di upon 2r. Putting the value of di from the above, we got mu naught dq omega upon 2 pi into 2r. If we put the value of dq, we got mu naught omega 4 pi r into sigma 2 pi r into dr. 2 pi से 2 pi cancel out, r से r cancel out, 1 by 2 mu naught omega sigma dr. Therefore, total magnetic induction is given by integration over the dV from 0 to r, or we get 1 by 2 mu naught omega sigma integration dr, limit from 0 to r, or we got सिग्मा की वैल्यू अपन पुट कर देते हैं यहां पर q अपॉन इक्वल्स, putting the value of sigma, we got the value of 1 by 2 mu naught omega. अब यहां पर अगर अपन इसकी वैल्यू पुट करते हैं, दैट इज q बाय pi r square, and that is dr. Therefore, d become integration 1 by 2 mu naught omega q pi r square integration over r from 0 to capital R. You find that d is inversely proportional to r. क्योंकि इनवर्स फंक्शन बन रहा है, d is inversely proportional to r. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is 4th. Okay, thank you.